guys, so I just refinished a bench. Well, actually I just stripped it, so now it's down to the bare wood. I love how it looks. I'm probably not going to stain it, at least not right now, but I do want to put some kind of like polish on it. So to make a homemade polish, I'm going to take some lemon juice and some olive oil. Now I was going to put it in a spray bottle, but I realized that I only have like 2 pieces of wood furniture that I would need to polish, so I'm going to use just enough that I could use it up right now. So basically it's going to be 2 parts of lemon juice. You could also use vinegar, and 1 part olive oil. And you could probably use any oil, but I'm using this one because I don't like olive oil to eat, and this has been in the cabinet for a while. So I'm just making enough up right now so I could polish this piece. So this is a 1/2 cup measurement. I'm gonna make half of a cup, and then put the lemon juice in. This is actually an expired bottle of lemon juice from 2021. So let's see, that would be 2 parts. Let me put a little bit more lemon juice in because I don't like how oily that looks. So you're supposed to stir it up. And you can see this right here is just like bare wood. It is so dry. It is needing something. I'm just going to soak this whole towel in there. Alright, I'm going to put half. I'm going to do it right here. A half of it, and then I'm going to come back after it's like dried and show you what it looks like. This is supposed to help condition the wood, because you don't want your wood to dry out, and with temperature and temperature changes, living in Florida, everything gets pretty much dry rotted. So you do need to polish your furniture. And this is actually going to be good for your hands too, because it has got some nice olive oil in there. Now this unfortunately does have a chip, but like I said, it's going to have a aquarium on top of it, so that doesn't matter. And the top doesn't need to be wiped down and slicked up because this is a veneer. So you just want to get it on the wood. And this is basically like a dupe for Pledge. And it's lemony. Very lemony. I'm going to see what this looks like after it dries. See if it keeps the sheen on it. It's turning the wood. It looks like it may be pine. When it was really, really wet, when this was really, really wet, it looked like it was going to be like a cherry wood, but I don't know. I might put a little bit of walnut stain on it too. Not finish it out, but like just a little wipe. You can see I didn't get every single little bit of that paint off. So it's got a little bit of character to it. But I want to come back to this after it's dried, just to see if it keeps the nice polish on it. And this will protect the furniture, and you probably want to wipe down your wood furniture at least like once a year, but you probably should probably like once a month. But you want to do it at least once a year so it doesn't dry out and get gross. This is looking really good though. Yeah. I like how that looks better actually. It looks...
Any leftovers in that? Is it taking
Oh
away?
yeah, there's plenty here. And
I mean, no. Is there any leftover crud? Because we soap washed
like
that
dirt.
for hours.
Yeah, there's dirt.
Is it from now though, or is it over the years?
Yeah, this was a clean rag.
Mm-hmm.
So there is dirt still on it. Some residue.
So it's helping to clean it as well.
Yeah, it will help clean it. Yeah, I noticed that I used to wash my linoleum by the doorway. I had one little strip of linoleum. I used to wash it with petroleum jelly and polish it, and it got a lot of dirt out too. You're probably not supposed to do that, but I only had one little strip and I didn't have special cleaner, so I used petroleum jelly to shine it up. This looks really good. I'm gonna wait I'll say like 30 minutes. And then I'll show you what it looks like in 30 minutes to see if it has any, if it's dried out at all. So. Okay, so that is with one coat, and that's been several days, because as you can see, it's loaded down with stuff. We're moving it because we're gonna put the aquarium right here. We're gonna bring it in right now, but I wanted you to see the difference, and I wanted to wait a couple of days to see if there was going to be a difference, and you can tell it is still in there. It's still doing good. Yeah. Okay, I have this very nice piece of wood furniture outside, and it's holding all the kids' toys and stuff for outside, chalk and stuff like that, and it has got so much dirt and grime on it, but let's put this to the test. Let's move this flower. Oh, look at that. Yuck. I mean, it's been outside for quite a while. Probably 6 months, 8 months, something like that. It's got a lot of dirt on it. So let's just shine it up with this. Oh my. Oh my, can you see the difference? Let me see. I can't even see if you're getting an accurate look of this. Okay, there's the non-polished, and there's the polished. This is going to help protect it, especially since it's kind of somewhat out in the open here. We have like a plastic screen. Let's do this part. Ooh, look how shiny. You can like see reflection in it. That is nice. That's going to help protect the wood. And I would say, I don't know, I probably need to come out here every month and do this, since it's outside. Inside it would be a lot easier to help keep it protected, you know. Just buff on and buff off. Look at that shine! Compared to this. Ooh. Shiny. Ooh. This will help keep it moisturized. You know what I mean? And it'll be easier to clean as well. Look at that shine right up here. Look at that. Nice. Just gonna buff it in everywhere because that looks so good. All right, now you know it works. Yeah, look at that. That's great. Now you know it works. Try it at home yourself and save money on that liquid gold, because it does cost a lot of money. And this is basically in your kitchen already. That is buffing it right out. All the little scratches and dings. Just going in there and protecting it. There's some scratches. Look at that. And it's going to stay this way too. It's not going to like turn back white. Like if you put water on it, as this oil is soaking through, the lemon is helping to cut the grease and the dirt, and the oil is protecting it. Just gonna finish buffing this out. It's beautiful. Oh, look at that. That was Hadar spilled alcohol here because he was cleaning his computer monitor, and he spilled alcohol all down the front of it, and it dried it out really bad. So that is just bringing it back to life. It's so nice. And if you want to scent this up, you can actually put some those oils in it, oil essences. But you don't need to. It's just a scent. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.